What's going on, folks? I want to make this video real quick to show you all what your problem is. It's for some reason your PowerDash, it's not sucking up no more. When you put the water down, it's not sucking up. Most likely there's one or two things that'll be your problem. Either right here in this front part of your PowerDash where it's supposed to pick up at, it can get really dirty inside of here, and if it does that, it'll clog it. So to clean that, all you gotta do is reach right here on the two sides, squeeze, and you can pop this off just like that. And then what you want to do is look in here. You see that little gap inside of there? Inside there sometimes can get clogged with dirt and stuff, and that gets clogged up. It won't allow it to suck up correctly. And also when you have that off, you may want to check inside of this opening right here. That's where the suction comes from also. It's right in here, and make sure that's fine. And once you do that, the other spot on here that may lead to your vacuum not sucking up correctly is actually the filter that's in the back of it. So if you come to the back of it, where your bucket's at, you want to go ahead and press that down. You want to remove your bucket, and if you look right here, this piece right here comes out, which is a filter. And over time, this can get clogged up. Like this one right here is really dirty. I see stuff all inside of it. And if it gets clogged up right here, then what'll happen is it won't suck up correctly. So if you're having an issue with your PowerDash, your Hoover PowerDash, to where it's not sucking up correctly, first what you want to do is check your actual part in front of your vacuum. Make sure that little gap is not clogged up with stuff. Sometimes you can get pet hair and all type of stuff inside of there that'll clog it up or it won't suck up. And after doing that, like I said, turn to the back of your PowerDash and go ahead and remove this right here and clean this really good. You can take like some water, some warm water, a little soap or something in here, just clean it out really good. And once you do that, make sure you stick it back down inside this hole. You should hear like a little click. Like once you got it in there correctly, yeah, hear like something like that. Then go ahead and put your bucket back on, and then put your front part back on there. And to put that back on is pretty simple. I'll raise it up so you can see. This one actually needs to be cleaned very well. So if it's really dirty like this, you can also clean. I have a video up on these showing how to change out your belt, just in case that has a problem on it. But to go ahead and put this front piece back on here, you see those little openings right here? And if you look right here, you'll have like little pieces right here and one over here. You just want to take that like that across the top of it, drop them on top like that. Then once you do that, you can lay your vacuum back down just like that. Once you do that, you just want to press in. You just want to press, make sure that's lined up correctly, and snap that right back on there in front of that hole, and you should be good. Alright folks, once again, this is the issue with your Hoover PowerDash. If for some reason it's not picking up anymore, when you spray out the water and stuff, it won't pick up. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.